Millions of people have gotten rich off the stock market. Millions more have lost their shirts. Same market. Same opportunity. So, what's the difference? Spoiler, it's not IQ. It's not luck. It's something way simpler and way more fixable. Point 1, we buy because we're excited, not because we're smart. A stock pops up everywhere, your group chat, your feed, that one coworker who called it. Suddenly everyone's saying it's going to the moon. So what do? You jump in. But here's the thing, you're not buying because you understand the company. You're buying because you're scared of missing out. That's not investing. That's FOMO with a brokerage account. Point 2, we panic the second things turn red. Market drops 10%, then 20%, and suddenly it feels like the world's ending. So people sell. Just to make the pain stop. But here's the brutal part, the second you sell in a panic, that loss becomes real. It's locked in. And here's the kicker, some of the biggest rebounds in market history happen right after the scariest days. Sell too soon, and you don't just avoid the crash, you miss the comeback too. Let me tell you about a guy I knew. He got into the market during a big rally, feeling great, checking his portfolio every single day. Then came the first real drop. He panicked. Sold everything. A few months later, market bounced back. He missed almost the entire recovery. Here's the truth, the market didn't fail him. His fear made the decision for him. Not his strategy. Not his research. Just fear. Point 3, the investors who actually win? They're playing a completely different game. They're not trying to time every dip and spike, nobody can, not even the pros. They invest consistently, stay patient, and let time do the heavy lifting. Because here's the secret nobody tells you, the market doesn't reward the smartest guess. It rewards the person who just stays in the game. So tell me, what's the biggest investing mistake you've ever made? Or better yet, what's stopping you from starting today? Drop it in the comments, I actually read them. And if you're done with confusing finance jargon, hit subscribe. New videos every 2 days, no fluff, just straight talk.